at night run through the wild and the dark. Steel hearts racing like a southern spark.
We finally made it to Texas. It's freezing, dude. Definitely different than Mississippi, man.
Hey, we ready to get on them ducks in the morning, son.
That's right.
See more Texas. We about to make a showdown here, boy.
Is that right, Slade? Dude, the weather from Mississippi to Texas, the difference is crazy. But we are ready. We are here. We're gonna get a couple hours of sleep, and then we're gonna meet the tour guy in the morning and get it done. We're gonna see more Texas, baby. Let's get it. We got Riley back there loading up the back. The morning has come. It's 37 out right now. So running off about 30 minutes of sleep, I say, around that. What we going to kill, Riley?
Well, we're finna go bang on them ducks, son.
We're gonna try to anyway. Get out here, so I'll hit y'all up when we out here. Not much to say, really. I know I didn't get no sleep last night.
Hey,
But
it's a grind with it, baby. It's a grind.
we got this morning, then Sunday morning, tomorrow morning to try to get out here and kill some. So after we hunt this morning, go come back, chill, grill out a little bit later, try some stuff, and then we're gonna just chill, y'all. So let's see what we can do.
County line showdown, dirt gonna fly, engines howling under a black sky. Two old names carved deep in this town. When the dust clears, only one stands proud. Years of pride, too far to turn around. It's going down, county line showdown.
Good dog, boy. Here. Here. What? There we go. What? I won't call the shot, John. Kill him. No, no. Here. Hold. Thank you. Good dog. Yeah. Oh my God.
We got the first day wrapped up, did a little bit of scouting to see where we're gonna hunt in the morning. I think we found the place, but what you get today, man?
Man, we banged on this morning, man. We shot some teal, some ringnecks, shot a Yamaganzer,
It was
shot a
sweet.
freaking stud of a pintail, man.
Definitely combat nest deer.
Yeah, there was a lot of ducks.
It was nice, but we ain't slept in about 24 hours, so I'm finna go back to the Airbnb,
Crash.
get the hay, do the same thing tomorrow morning. Appreciate y'all for watching the video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all share, do y'all thing. Appreciate it. See ya. So I'm editing the video right now of the first Texas duck hunt. I planned on it being a 2-part, but that has changed because me and Ryan are going back in 2 weeks for another hunt. It's gonna be freaking awesome. I'm pumped. And also, the Sunday morning, I didn't get as many clips, so I just decided to make it one full video, make it simple, sweet, and do all that. So, and man, if y'all want a guided tour hunt, make sure y'all check out Ducks and Diamonds. He's the coolest guy. You get him on Facebook, Snapchat, all that. Coolest guy. Coolest guy. Great guy, especially if you're on your first time out of state hunting or anything. Talking through it and everything. It was great. I had a blast, dude. I'm so ready. I'm so pumped that I'm going back in 2 weeks. Me and Ryan are excited. Ryan's going to get his first duck, hopefully. He should. If he can shoot him out the sky. You know, Ryan can't shoot. Nah, I'm just kidding. But it's going to be sick. And I'm so excited. It was a great time this time when we went. And hopefully I can get this video edited for y'all. Get it all smooth out. Get it sick. Appreciate y'all for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, it's officially time for the part 2 of the hunt. It's cold out there. It's freezing. But I got me some good rest last night. Got the rest that I needed. So we can get out here this morning and do the same thing we did yesterday. But at a different spot. So just let's cut to the chase. Get out there. Hope we kill some ducks. Alright y'all, so I've set up back here in this brush. Decoys out there. They're set up over there in the blind. And hopefully I can get some good film this morning. More of duck killing. Yesterday, it's hard. It's harder than I thought to be able to film duck hunts and do all that. But hopefully this morning I can get more of ducks being killed out there and stuff. But I'm gonna chill for a minute. Make sure I'm good. Get my camera and everything set up. And sit back, relax, and feel some duck hunting, baby. Let's get it. Man, Texas was great, y'all. It was wonderful being out here, having the chance to come film. First time filming out of state, it was great. Wish I could do it more. Wish I had the chance to be able to come out here every weekend and film hunts. A dream, it's a passion. I'm gonna work until I can do it, but it was great. This morning wasn't as good of a morning as yesterday morning, but still wonderful just to be out here in God's creation. And if there's no more to this video, then this will probably be the outro. So really appreciate y'all for watching, and make sure y'all if y'all ever come to Texas and want to duck hunt, see more Texas, hook up Ducks and Diamonds for the best tour. Great people, great everything, and appreciate y'all for watching. Peace.